Okay, so now as we've wrapped up talking about graphing equations and properties of graphs, we now transition into this next unit where we're going to be talking about properties of exponents, and this is going to lead into the next main topic we focus on, which are called polynomials. So first, let's recall what an exponent is. Remember, an exponent means that you're going to multiply it times itself that many times. So based on that definition, the number, the exponent, has to be something we can count. Right? You can't multiply something times itself a negative 5 times. That wouldn't make any sense. Right? And also we couldn't multiply something times itself a fractional amount of times. Now both of those things, a negative exponent and a fractional exponent, are things that we can discover what they mean algebraically as we extend the definition of an exponent. We will later on talk about negative exponents. If you want to take an intermediate algebra course, you'll talk about fractional exponents. But here we want to focus on our properties of exponents. And so just a couple quick examples just to refresh our memory on what exponents are. So 5 to the third would mean 5 times itself 3 times, which would give us 125. 125. As another example, if we did 3 to the fifth, that would mean multiply 3 times itself 5 times, and if you do that, you'll actually get 243. So that's what an exponent is. And now we want to move from there to start looking at some properties that exponents have. Basically, we want to talk about arithmetic with exponents. And so we're going to be looking at what happens when we multiply exponents, what happens when we divide things with exponents, what happens when we have an exponent raised to a power. So we're going to be talking now about arithmetic with exponents. And the very first thing I want to point out is let's refresh our memory on exponents, and let's recall that we cannot add or subtract things with different exponents. Remember, those are not like terms, so we're not able to put them together. So in the upcoming videos, we're going to talk about multiplying exponents, dividing exponents, and raising things with exponents to powers. We're going to, in general, look at how we simplify stuff involving exponents.